Finally, after 3 days, we'll be going out in the sun. Every day it had been fog, and hopefully I can see more views today. Oh wow. All right. It's beautiful. Sapa feels like a different city without the fog. The sun did come out today, but oh my god, everything is visible properly. It feels like a different city today. Wow. Hey baby. Oh, this dog has been going with me for like 20 minutes already. I'm staying at that village and now I'm going to another village. Wow, I don't know how far. It was so sunny just 1 hour ago, and now it started to get so chilly. Oh man, glad I got my hoodie.
One eternity later.
Finally. Oh man, it's so chilly. Oh, she came all the way from that village to now. Hey baby. Shoy, 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 shoy. I'm literally alone here, just going to some random village with a random dog. Wow, it's so fun. Oh. Wow, this looks so beautiful. He's been following me. Oh my. Come. We gonna eat something, okay? Okay? So we're literally coming down from that route. Looks so beautiful. Walking through the village now. There are houses around everywhere. Oh, good. Hello. High five. Bam. 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 Bye bye. Just done with the hike, went around the village, and now the weather is so crazy. It has gotten like so cold, and it's fog everywhere. Wow, and cold. A bit tired. I'm just gonna head to the homestay, have my dinner, and sleep.